Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Avinash here and I hope you are doing great. Those who are new to this channel, then please subscribe to my channel so that whenever I'll upload videos, you do not miss out any video. So as you all know that I have started an eye-opener series in which I take some common and very basic questions which have been asked by the candidates. So I answered those questions in these videos, and if you have also any question and queries, you can comment down me below in the comment section. Then I'll definitely take those questions in my further videos. And today's question, you have seen in the thumbnail that what is the right time to start preparation for CDS or any defense exam. First of all, let me tell you about three things that you must know before start preparation for your any defense examination. First thing is your educational qualification. Second thing is your age criteria. And third thing is physical and medical standards. You must know all three things before start preparation of any defense examination. Alright. So how educational qualification will help you? Educational qualification will provide you the relevant information that how much opportunities can you get for defense sector. Second thing is after your educational qualification, you must know what is the age criteria for that particular entry or that particular opportunity for which you are going. And the third thing, that is physical or medical standards. So you must know that what is the physical requirement for that particular examination, what is the medical requirement, because you are going for defense sector. And this is the one of the most important thing, that physical and medical standards are equally important as your written examination. For example, you must know what is your height and what is the required height that have been asked by that particular entry. Okay, so these are three basic things that you must know. So what is the correct time? There is no specific or particular point that from where you can start your preparation. Nobody can tell you that this is the right time, now you can start your preparation. No. Whenever you come to know about this examination and whenever you come to know that you want to go for defense sector, that is the right time to start your preparation at that particular point. Like जो कॉलेज स्टूडेंट हैं जिनको पहले से पता है दैट व्हाट दे हैव टू डू इन फ्यूचर एंड व्हाट दे आर गोइंग टू डू, सो उनके लिए थोड़ा इजी हो जाता है टू फोकस मोर ऑन देयर एग्ज़ाम इफ़ दे आर ट्रूली डेडिकेटेड टुवर्ड्स दैट. सो एक और बेनिफिट हो जाता है कॉलेज टाइम में कि अगर इससे पहले आपने कभी अदर एक्टिविटीज़ में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किया है, बिकॉज दिस इज़ द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ डिफेंस सेक्टर कि आपको पढ़ाई के साथ भी कुछ करना चाहिए टू एक्सप्लोर न्यू थिंग्स, टू गेन सम न्यू एक्सपीरियंस. ओके, सो अगर आपने इससे पहले कुछ नहीं किया तो दैट इज़ द अपॉर्चुनिटी यू कैन गेट इन योर कॉलेज टाइम, दैट यू कैन पार्टिसिपेट इन स्पोर्ट्स, इन कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़, इन अदर कॉम्पिटिशन्स. ओके, so from there you can explore new things. So that is the best point in your college time. But after graduation, if you are going for post graduation, that is another thing. But if you are not going for PG and all, you are just focusing to prepare for competitive exams or any defense exam, so then it become quite difficult to explore new things and to participate in competitions. Okay, so it doesn't mean that you cannot do anything. So those who came to know about this exam after their graduation, like I am an example. I came to know about this exam after my graduation. After that I start my preparation for CDS examination. What happens, ऐसे भी कैंडिडेट्स होते हैं जिनको ऐसे टाइम पर पता चलता है लाइक उनके पास सिर्फ एक ही अटैम्प्ट बचा होता है जो कि उनका फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट अटैम्प्ट होता है, बट दे आर ट्रूली डेडिकेटेड. सो वो अपने फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट अटैम्प्ट में भी कर पाते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि उन्हें खुद पर विश्वास होता है एंड दे नो why they want to join and they know what are they going to do. So ये भी चीज़ें हैं जो आपकी प्रिपरेशन को इफ़ेक्ट करती हैं. सिर्फ ये पता होना ही काफ़ी नहीं होता, उसके ऊपर आपको वर्क भी करना होता है. ओके, सो ऐसा नहीं है कि आपके पास ज़्यादा अटैम्प्ट्स हैं तो आप कर पाओगे, या फिर आपके पास एक या दो ही अटैम्प्ट्स बचे हैं तो आप डिमोटिवेट हो रहे हो कि काश मुझे पहले पता चल जाता तो मैं पहले कर लेता या कर लेती. नो, आपके पास जो भी टाइम है, जो भी अटैम्प्ट है, आप उसी को अपना गोल्डन अटेम्प्ट और गोल्डन टाइम बनाइए. ओके, सो आई होप दिस वीडियो वॉज रिलेटेबल टू यू एंड डू नॉट बी कन्फ्यूज दैट कौन सा सही टाइम है. जब भी आपकी सोल है, आपका माइंड है, जब दोनों एक होकर एंड दे डिसाइड कि हमें डिफेंस ही ज्वाइन करना है, दैट इज़ द राइट टाइम टू स्टार्ट योर प्रिपरेशन. ओके, डू नॉट वेस्ट योर टाइम फर्दर थिंकिंग and further taking suggestions from others. Okay, so just start your preparation and just dedicate towards your examination. So yep, that's all about this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like this video, do all the formalities, like, share and subscribe, and we will meet in our next video. Till then, take care, bye bye and Jai Hind.